Some Americans want to age in place at home, while others will consider independent, assisted living, or retirement communities. Atria Senior Living is dedicated to creating vibrant communities where older adults are encouraged to lead active, engaged lives. Learn why more than 45,000 people choose to call Atria Senior Living home.
The biggest selling points are really the amenities and the services that we provide. The dining experience at Atria is something I'm really proud of. Making sure that our residents are eating is something that's important to families. And knowing that mom's not skipping a meal or dad's not missing a meal, we're gonna know if someone's not at the table. When a resident moves into our community, included in their rent is housekeeping. So things like dusting, cleaning, changing the sheets, making the bed, making sure the apartment is nice and clean and fresh. They don't have to worry about that anymore. So each community has a different variety of floor plans and offerings. Some may have studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, some even have a 3-bedroom. Atria Senior Living was the first senior housing provider to mandate that all staff and residents be vaccinated. We are proud to say that we are over 99% vaccinated. We set up clinics in each of our communities so that our residents and staff has easy accessibility to the vaccine. Another great convenience that we offer is taking our residents to doctor's appointments off-site. We provide assistance with telemed appointments, which is becoming even more popular. All of our communities have staff available 24/7.
Holly and H.J. Browning met while working together at an insurance agency. They quickly fell in love and have been married for 64 years. Several years ago, they began looking into senior living options. Early in their search, the couple toured Atria Newport Beach in California and were so impressed they reserved an apartment before the community was built. They officially made the move last January. A year later, they haven't looked back.
We call this our forever home.
This place makes you live again. The people who live in this place, they're the friendliest bunch of people that you could ever find. The people that work here, the people that are moving into here, we're all about the same age, and it's just a wonderful experience to go down to lunch or dinner and sit down with someone and they've become your friend.
Holly and H.J.'s son and daughter-in-law feel like a weight has been lifted off their shoulders because they know their parents are receiving the support they need while residing at Atria Senior Living.
It's so comforting to know that here at Atria, people are looking out for my parents. One of the first times when I called my parents here, one of the greatest things to ever hear them say was, "We have to call you back." And it was just, it was almost a weight lifted off that you knew that they were just having fun and we didn't have to worry about them all the time.
It's as if this is their part 2 of their life. They're doing things they've never done before, or things they haven't done in so many years, and we can't even explain how good it makes us feel knowing they truly are having so much fun in these golden years. It's been great to watch. And now we know how much fun it is, and we would love to live here when we're their age too.
No two people are alike, and not every person shares the same needs. Each care option at Atria is designed to help individuals reach their potential.
Independent living is when somebody moves into our community and takes advantage of the amenities that we're offering. Assisted living and supportive living are essentially the same thing. It's when we're providing the care for a resident. And when they're living with us, the service is being provided by Atria in a discreet manner in the privacy of their own apartment. Certain communities offer memory care neighborhoods. We call them life guidance neighborhoods within the community. The residents that would reside in memory care are people with Alzheimer's, memory impairment, dementia. As a resident's needs change, it's very easy to make those transitions to either memory care or to another community, because once you're within the Atria family, we have so many resources that we can help the family make that transition pretty smoothly.
Atria Senior Living is the second largest senior living provider in the United States, with more than 430 communities in 45 states and 7 Canadian provinces. If you're considering senior living for you or your parents, find a community near you at atriaseniorliving.com/TV or visit designingspaces.tv to learn more.